Right now, you're pulling up to the 71st Tucson Gem and Mineral Show. Cars honking, dust kicking up, banners flapping like flags in a storm. 10 seconds in, and bam, lightning flash across the sky. Or maybe it's just the sign, 71st Annual Tucson Gem Fair. That's not just a title, that's history. 71 years of people flying in from every corner. Japan, Brazil, Germany, just to hold a stone that's older than their country. Zoom in. First table, opals. Not the milky kind you see in jewelry stores. These are fire opals, Australian, rough, flashing red and green like they're alive. And next to them, peridots, little green bombs. People say they're from meteorites. Yeah, literally space rocks. 15 seconds of that close-up, and you already feel it. This isn't shopping. This is treasure hunting. Switch. Rough quartz, not polished, raw, jagged, perfect. Black tourmaline like obsidian spears. Pink ones, smoky ones, even ones with rainbows trapped inside, like someone froze a prism. These aren't accidents. Nature took millions of years, crushed silica under heat, and said, here, make art. And then, shells. Yeah, shells. Not your grandma's beach walk. These are nacred, mother of pearl, but rarer, iridescent, almost glowing. Gemologists call them organic gems because they're not mined, they grew, like living jewelry. People pay thousands for one perfect spiral. Imagine that. Something that once housed a creature, now worth more than gold. We're inside now, hidden camera rolling, 5 minutes of pure chaos. Malachite, deep green swirls, like forest floor after rain. That color, copper oxide. Toxic if you lick it. Don't. But beautiful. Dealers lean over tables, whispering prices. $200 for that chunk? Nah, $350. Hands shake. Money slides. That's how it works here. No receipts, no rules. Just trust and greed. Look up. Massive quartz. Not a crystal. A boulder. 6 feet tall. Clear as water. Inside, rainbows. Tourmaline needles. That thing weighs more than your car. And next, amethyst geodes. Purple caves. You know why they're hollow? Volcanoes. Lava bubbles. Water creeps in. Silica crystallizes slow. Decades. Centuries. The purple? Iron plus radiation from the Earth's core. Sounds sci-fi. It's real. And that geode over there, the biggest one, they say it's the size of a bathtub. People take selfies with it like it's a celebrity. Crowd thickens. Brazil flag flapping. Those stones? Tourmaline, every shade. Watermelon, neon green, electric blue. Rough cuts, straight from Minas Gerais. One guy's got a fist-sized emerald. Raw, ugly, perfect. 10 grand, he says. Buyer nods. Done. That's how fast millions move. Outside now. Tables everywhere. People laughing, drinking. Someone strumming a guitar. Badly. But no one cares. There's a little concert yet. Folks singing off key. Beers clinking. But eyes on the stones. Rose quartz. Soft pink. Heart opening, they say. Sells for $20 to $200. Whole market? Experts guess $50-60 million turns over in 2 weeks. That's not pocket change. That's a small country's budget. Hidden cam again. Fossils. Trilobites, ammonites. Frozen in limestone. One guy's got a shark tooth bigger than your hand. From Morocco, he says. $500. Kid next to him gasps. People geek out harder here than at Comic-Con. Then, Sugilite. Purple like crushed velvet. From South Africa. Manganese, rare as hell. One dealer's got slabs. Big as dinner plates. This one's flawless, he whispers. 2,000. People crowd. Phones out. That color? It's not dye. It's chemistry. Manganese plus iron. And yeah, some say it heals. I don't know. But when you see it, you believe. Spectralite next. Labradorite's flashy twin. Hold it flat. Nothing. Tilt it. Boom. Blues, greens, golds. Like Aurora Borealis trapped in rock. They call it Stone of Magic. Not because it's woo-woo. Because it shifts. 1 second dull. Next second alive. Dealers love it. Buyers love it. Everyone leaves with a story. Back outside. Rough stones piled like firewood. Electric blue. Kyanite. Blood red. Garnet. Black. Obsidian. Colors so loud, you forget you're in Arizona. One boulder looks like a dinosaur egg. Cracked open, amethyst inside. Nature's prank. And finally, Those monsters, rough, unpolished, bigger than you, stacked, waiting, like they're daring someone to buy them. Then, fade. The banner again. 71st Annual Tucson Gem Fair. Lights dim, crowd thins, but the buzz still in your ears. If you're watching this, you're already halfway there. Next time, deeper. Maybe we sneak into the private auctions. Maybe we talk prices. Maybe we just stare at one perfect opal till it hypnotizes us. Subscribe, hit the bell, and tell me, what stone would you steal if no one was looking?